George, do you like it when we come here and stay with you and visit with you? Do you like it when people come to say hi? You do? Are you a prankster? No, you're not a prankster?
George, I'm just going to put the stand. There's a stand on the back of this so that we can see it better. I'm just going to pull it out like that. Oops. Whoa.
Hi, George.
Awesome,
Got the light to work.
Wow, thank you.
That was
Holy
awesome.
moly, and I wasn't recording that,
I know.
George.
Yeah.
That was
Thank
great,
you.
George. Thank you
Can
so
you do
much.
it one more time, George, please?
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was
George, I'm gonna
wonderful.
cry. I'm so happy. That's beautiful.
Great. That's really nice.
George,
Good
do
job.
you want to flirt with Allison?
If you do, turn the light on, the torch again.
Would you like Allison to come closer? Yeah, okay. Thank you, George. Go say hi to George.
Hi, George.
Here's Allison. You want to
Hi,
say hi
George.
to Allison? Just light the light. Let the light go on. That'll be saying hi.
I was just thinking that.
Wow.
That's funny. Do you play the harmonica, George?
George, if you light the flashlight, that will take that as a yes.
Put the flashlight on it, yes. Okay? Do you play the harmonica, George?
Thank you.
Thank you, George. You want to push Allison on the swing? By the way, that's Allison. The one you encouraged to come out with.
Yeah.
Could you turn the torch on again to let us know you're still here? Your torch is no long. Thank
All
you.
right, George. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Great.
Turn it off.
That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you for the response.
Ah!
I
Wow.
love it. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you for the response, George. Yeah,
Wow.
you are great.
Wow.
Now you're
Good
just
job.
flirting with us.
Good job.
This is wild.
Yeah.
This is so crazy.
No,
No.
okay.
But I'm always thrilled whenever something as simple as the flashlight.
Yeah, that's
It just I never get used to it. It's just so thrilling.
well. Okay.
George,
Whoa.
Yeah.
Very happy. Thank you.
yeah, that's awesome. Good job.
Just wait until the sun goes by.
Feeling raindrops, George. It might start to rain. We'll have to go in.
Yeah.
But thank you for
Okay.
talking with us.
I love this swing.
Yeah.
This is neat.
Great swing. Thank you.
Thank you for talking with us, George.
George, we have to go in out of the rain, I guess.
Yeah, we don't want to get hit by lightning.
Do you want to come in with us?
Yes.
You can come in with us.
You can come in with us,
George?
if you like. Okay.
Okay, we're going to go
We're
back
gonna
in the
go
barn. We'll see you inside.
You don't want to get wet.
Thank you. We're going to go
Okay. I'm gonna gather these up. Please follow us. Please join us.
Yeah, we're going in, but you can come.
Could you turn off the light, please?
Yeah, we have a light we can use. You don't need to leave that on for us. We can find a way. You can turn it off. Please.
Thank you.